and this is your PHS News Today for Monday, December 17th. PHS Drama Club will be performing the classic children's tale, The Velveteen Rabbit, on December 20th and 21st at 7 p.m. Tickets are $3 for 12 and up and $1 for those under 12. And now it is time for our daily trivia contest. Students and teachers can email their answer to baileymedia@bailey.k12.in.us. The first person to get the answer right will be put in a drawing for a prize. Today's daily puzzle is Movie Monday. We will play a clip of a movie and you have to tell us the title of that movie. Here's the clip. Already thinking about lunch? Check out the cafeteria serving up today. Mr. Lindley would like to remind his U.S. History students that there are helpful resources posted on Classroom for the Unit 7 test. And now to Audrey with your Ram Sports Report.
Thank you, Joni. Friday night, JV and varsity boys basketball both defeated Austin. Saturday night, JV and varsity boys basketball both lost against Tale City. Back to you, Joni.
Your books are for sale for $35 in Mrs. Nichols' room. You can drop off money in the office or in room 115. If you have any questions, please contact Mrs. Nichols. And now to Ian Wilder with your weather report.
Thank you. So as we go through today, no chances of rain or snow, but as we head to the end of your week, we could see some rain chances and maybe some rain into your weekend. For your weather today, we have a high of 49 and a low of 27. Heading into your week on Tuesday, we have a high of 46 and a low of 29. And on Wednesday, in the middle of your week, a high of 53 and a low of 42. Back to you.
Congratulations to Hallie Graves for winning today's trivia question. The answer was Despicable Me. Stay tuned for more trivia tomorrow. I'm Joni, and that's your PHS News Today. Have a Joni-tastic day.